Oh my God, what's happened? Have you just lost your phone?
It was in my pocket before. When I fell.
It must have been when you was on the bike before and you fell off. Oh my God, no way. Is that your new one as well?
Yeah.
Your mum's going to go mental.
I know.
Oh my God, you better go and have a look. It's not in the bag, no, I've had a look. So, yeah, you're going to have to go and have a look then. No way I'd be going in there, would you?
No.
Mate, in a minute, push her in.
Okay.
It's a great idea. Yeah.
I'll just hide behind you though first.
Yeah. Yeah, can you see it? Is it not there? Push her in. Yes, Tiger! You have just been pranked. Guess what? Your phone is in the bag, really.
Oh my God, Rob!
Your bag is it? Your phone's in the bag. Oh my God! Nice one, Zach. Nice one, Zach.
Oh wow, yeah.
Yes.
That's so funny. My shoes are wet.
Oh my God, no way. Oh well, quick prank for you. How do you feel after that?
What do you mean? I'm fell. My leg's actually going numb.